Hello everyone, this is Sian from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on Wednesday, 18th of August 2021. Let's begin with the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, where in the previous videos we said that the pair is moving in a sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame and was expected to target around level 109.05. However, the pair formed a low around level 109.11, which it then rebounded upwards off of and is currently being traded above level 109.60, which resembles a horizontal resistance level in the 4-hour time frame, and by holding above it will support the continuity of the sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame, which will continue to target around level 109.80 and then around level 110. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding upwards off of around level 30, it supports the continuity of the sideways movement. That was it for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let's move on to the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. In the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame inside the sideways movement in the daily time frame. However, after breaking down through level 0.6970, which resembled a horizontal support level in the 4-hour time frame, the pair returned to the sideways movement, where it then rebounded upwards off of the lower boundary area of the sideways movement in the daily time frame, which is between levels 0.69 and 0.6880, and by holding above it, the pair will continue the sideways movement, which will then continue to target the upper boundary area of it in the daily time frame, which is between around levels 0.7020 and 0.7095. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding upwards off of around level 30 inside the oversold area, it supports the continuity of the sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame. That was it for the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Let's move on to the gold. In the previous videos, we were expecting the gold to target around level 1752 and then around level 1765 in the upwards movement in the 4-hour time frame. And if we notice the 1-hour time frame, then we can see that the gold has recently started an uptrend in the 1-hour time frame, where it is moving in an upwards channel and is currently being traded around the lower boundary of it, where it rebounded upwards off of around level 1780, and by holding above this level and breaking upwards to level 1795, it will support the continuity of the uptrend in the 1-hour time frame and will then be targeting around level 1805. It is important to note that the current upwards movement in the 4-hour time frame is only an upwards correctional movement in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame, and what is expected is the rebounding down off of around level 1790 or around level 1805, which resembles the upper boundary of the downwards channel in the daily time frame as well as the 4-hour time frame, in order to continue with the downtrend in the daily time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding down off of around level 70, it supports the rebounding down off of around the current levels to continue the downtrend, which will be confirmed upon the breaking down through the lower boundary of the upwards channel in the 1-hour time frame and the breaking down through level 1780, which resembles a horizontal support level in the 1-hour time frame. That was it for the gold. Market Equity wishes you successful trading and have a nice day.